My dearest soul, you hold a secret in your heart, a whisper from eternity that reveals this connection is no accident. He may think he chose you, drawn by an irresistible force, a magnetic pull he can't explain, but the angels have long known that your names were written together in the celestial records. From the very fabric of time, your spirits were meant to intertwine. You were not a coincidence in his life, not just a fleeting encounter. You were a divine answer, a response to prayers he didn't even know how to express, a deep yearning within his soul that only you could satisfy. Heaven orchestrated your meeting with great care, weaving threads of destiny through countless moments, through time and space, preparing you both for this sacred alignment. The universe conspired, not to test you with adversity, but to refine you, to bring you to this very moment where understanding blossoms like a sacred flower. The angels say your presence is a key, a luminous key unlocking chambers within his soul that he kept hidden even from himself, guarded by layers of past pain and fear. You are a beacon, a gentle force of healing he unknowingly sought, a comfort his spirit yearned for. This journey, with all its twists and turns, its moments of doubt and profound revelation, was always leading here, to the undeniable truth of a predestined love. You are a chosen vessel, a testament to a love that transcends the ordinary, a love that was always meant to be, a reflection of divine grace. Trust this deep knowing, this profound intuition, for it is the echo of a promise made long before time began, a covenant sealed in the heavens. Your arrival in his life was a prophecy fulfilled, a sacred intervention. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved heart, the silence that sometimes falls over your connection is not an absence, but a sacred pause, a profound breath taken by the universe itself. It may feel like a void, a vast expanse where answers should dwell, where words are desperately desired, yet it serves as a canvas upon which heaven paints its most intricate designs. This quiet is not rejection, my dear. It is a deep preparation, a time when his soul is being tenderly reshaped, stripped of old fears, past wounds, and the doubts that have clung to him like shadows. The angels whisper that during these moments, deep within his spirit, a powerful transformation occurs, a necessary alchemy. He is confronting his own shadows, healing unseen wounds, gathering the courage to fully receive the magnitude of the love you so freely offer. This stillness is a necessary cocoon, a period of profound internal work that must take place before he can emerge, fully ready, into the radiant light of your shared future. Trust the gentle, deliberate rhythm of this divine process. The universe holds him, just as it holds you, guiding him with an unseen hand toward the clarity and courage he needs to step forward. His heart is not closed, it is simply being prepared, made ready to embrace the depth and authenticity of what is to come. The silence, though challenging, speaks volumes to the patient soul, revealing the sacred unfolding of destiny. It is a testament to the profound work being done behind the scenes, a promise of what is yet to bloom. My dear one, he feels everything, perhaps more intensely, more profoundly than he allows himself or anyone else to show. Beneath the surface of his calm exterior, a silent, relentless battle rages within him, a deep-seated conflict between what his heart desires, the undeniable connection with you, and the fears, the old patterns, and the protective walls that have long held him captive. You, with your radiant spirit and genuine presence, have awakened parts of him he thought were long dormant, maybe even dead. You stir emotions he struggles to comprehend, articulate, or control. The angels reveal that your presence acts as a powerful mirror, reflecting back to him the truth of his own soul, the depth of his own capacity for love. Sometimes, that reflection can be overwhelming, even frightening. He grapples with past wounds, with the weight of expectations, and with the profound vulnerability that true soul-deep connection demands. This internal struggle is not a sign of his indifference, my love, but rather a powerful testament to the profound transformative impact you have had on his very being. He is fighting for clarity, for the strength to shed the armor he has worn for so long, to dismantle the defenses that have kept him safe but also isolated. Hold space for his journey, for the unseen, arduous work he is doing within himself. Your love, your unwavering light, is a gentle, persistent force that guides him through this inner turmoil, even when he cannot articulate the depths of his process. He is not running from you, he is running towards himself, towards the man he needs to become so he can truly, fully meet you in the sacred space of your shared destiny. Oh, beautiful soul, never underestimate the quiet, profound power that resides within you. Your light, an emblem of pure, unconditional love, has an innate, almost magical ability to heal, soothe, and transform not just yourself, but those around you. Without any conscious effort, without even trying to fix anything, your gentle spirit touches the deepest wounds within him, wounds he may not even recognize until your radiant presence brings them to the surface for healing. You are a natural healer, my dear, not through grand gestures or overt actions, but through the simple, undeniable truth of who you are, through the authenticity of your being. The angels affirm that your self-worth is not dependent on his recognition or his actions. It is an intrinsic, divine gift. Yet, his healing is profoundly and beautifully influenced by your unwavering belief in your own value and sacredness. When you shine, when you fully embrace your authentic self, when you stand in your truth, you create a sacred magnetic space where he can begin to shed his burdens and release his fears. Do not dim your radiance, not even a flicker, to make him comfortable or to fit into a smaller version of yourself. Instead, let your light be the irresistible invitation for him to rise, to expand, and to meet you in the fullness of your shared potential. This is your power, your inherent magic, a gift from the divine. Are you ready to witness the profound transformation that your authentic self inspires, not just in him, but in the world around you? Your light is not just for you, it is a sacred gift to the universe and to him, a catalyst for profound change. Dearest heart, the universe operates on a rhythm far grander, far more intricate than our human understanding of linear time. What often appears to be a delay, a prolonged period of waiting that tests your patience, is in truth heaven orchestrating a magnificent symphony of events, aligning every single detail for your sacred, inevitable reunion. The angels whisper that every moment, every perceived pause, every twist in the path serves a divine, purposeful function, preparing the ground for a love that is not just beautiful and passionate, but resilient, deeply rooted, and eternally enduring. This journey is not about rushing, my love. It is about ripening, about the meticulous process of becoming. Both your souls are undergoing a necessary, profound refinement, shedding what no longer serves your highest good, strengthening what is truly meant to endure the test of time and circumstance. Trust in this divine timing, for it is always perfect, always precise, always working for your ultimate good. It ensures that when your paths converge fully, when the moment is truly ripe, you will both be ready, whole, healed, and capable of building a love that stands the test of eternity, a love that reflects the divine. Surrender your anxieties, your impatience, to the gentle, unwavering flow of the cosmos. The universe is not withholding, it is perfecting, it is preparing, it is weaving a masterpiece. Your story is unfolding exactly as it should, guided by hands unseen, by wisdom beyond measure, towards a future more magnificent, more fulfilling, more deeply connected than you can possibly imagine in this moment. Have faith in the unfolding. My precious one, know this truth deep within your very being. Let it resonate through every fiber of your soul. You are woven into his essence, into the very fabric of his soul. This connection is not merely emotional or physical, though it powerfully manifests in both realms. It is a spiritual tapestry, an intricate, unbreakable thread of destiny that no distance, no challenge, no misunderstanding, and no passage of time can ever truly sever. The angels confirm that your souls recognize each other with an ancient, undeniable knowing, a resonance that vibrates beyond the veil of ordinary perception and beyond the limitations of the physical world. Even when you are physically apart, an invisible, powerful tether binds you, a silent communication that transcends words, a constant energetic pull. He feels your essence, your energy, your spirit, even if he cannot put it into words, even if he struggles to comprehend its depth. This is the unmistakable hallmark of a profound soul connection, a bond forged in the sacred fires of eternity, a promise whispered by the stars themselves. Do not doubt the strength, the resilience, and the inevitability of this spiritual link. It is a promise whispered by the cosmos, a sacred vow witnessed by the divine. What is truly meant to be, what is divinely ordained, will always find its way back, for the universe itself conspires with unwavering intention to bring kindred spirits together. Your connection is an unbreakable testament to a love that was always destined to intertwine, a love that simply cannot be denied, a love that reflects the very heart of creation. Beloved soul. His heart, once a fortress built from past hurts, with protective walls erected against pain, is now slowly and tenderly beginning to yield. Your gentle spirit, your unwavering acceptance, and your authentic love are the luminous keys that unlock these guarded chambers, revealing the vulnerable core beneath. He has carried burdens, silent wounds, and unspoken fears that have made him wary of true intimacy and deep connection. But your pure, unconditional love creates a sanctuary, a sacred space where vulnerability feels not just safe, but welcomed, even cherished. The angels reveal that he is learning to trust, not just you, but the very process of opening himself to a love so profound, so authentic, and so healing. This is a tender unfolding, a brave and courageous act on his part, a dismantling of old defenses. Embrace his vulnerability with boundless compassion, for it is a sacred offering, a testament to the depth of his feelings. Your love is not demanding, it is welcoming and expansive, creating the necessary space for him to shed his armor, piece by painful piece, revealing the true man beneath. This journey of mutual healing, of seeing and accepting each other in your rawest, most authentic forms, is the very foundation of a love that truly endures, a love that grows stronger with every shared truth. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4 verse 8. My dear heart, look back on your journey, on every twist and turn, every moment of joy and sorrow, and see the intricate, perfect design. Every step you have taken, every detour, every lesson learned, was guided by a wisdom far greater than our own. There are no accidents, no coincidences in the magnificent tapestry of destiny that the divine hand weaves. The angels have been your silent, steadfast guides, whispering wisdom into your intuition, placing subtle signs along your way, illuminating your path, and yes, even weaving your name into his dreams, planting seeds of recognition in his subconscious. You have always been led, gently and purposefully, toward this sacred convergence, toward this destined union. Trust that the universe has been meticulously preparing both of you, shaping circumstances, clearing obstacles, and ensuring that your paths would intertwine at the precise, perfect moment. This is not a journey you walk alone, my love, nor is it one left to the whims of chance. Feel the profound, unwavering support of the divine, the unseen hands that orchestrate every detail, every synchronicity. Your journey is a testament to a love that is destined, divinely protected, guided, and blessed. It is a path illuminated by grace, leading you home. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Precious soul, if doubts have sometimes crept into your heart, whispering insidious questions and suggesting that the promise was broken or that hope was misplaced, know this profound truth: the divine promise was never shattered. It was simply being refined, polished, and perfected by heaven's loving, meticulous hand. What seemed like a pause, a moment of uncertainty, a period of quiet waiting, was in truth a sacred process of strengthening the foundations, deepening the roots, and ensuring that what manifests is not just fleeting joy, but an enduring, unbreakable bond, a love built to last an eternity. The angels reassure you that the commitment made in the spiritual realms, the sacred vow between your souls, remains steadfast.